Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Baking and cooking for my family. 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 Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery stocking, stacking, update haul, update haul, sharing what I'm putting in my pantry today. I got some rice-a-ronies, chicken rice-a-ronies. And I got this dole, which is delicious for me. It's not sweet and sugary. It's just right. It doesn't bother me. It comes with this 12 fruit bowl snacks, dole, no sugar added, variety pack. I have 4 diced peaches, 4 cherry mixed fruits, and 4 mandarin oranges. Very good product. I love it because it doesn't have all that sugar. And yeah, so this is going in the pantry along with the other noodles and beans, the rice and stuff. Hope you guys have been getting what you need, because I've been watching these dang videos, and since folks have heard about what the people, the Republicans, and I guess some Democrats too, got the inside information about all these trade wars and import charges up front, allegedly, that's what's going on. Folks have found out that they are stocking up and hoarding all kind of household goods and stuff. And so that's influencing people that didn't know or knew or did know to go out there and get more stuff. So we pretty good. Shoot. As long as I have my beans and rice, my flour and sugar and stuff, I'm good, because I can make stuff from scratch, as you can see with my biscuits, which I'll be making some more of those tomorrow morning. Oh, and today is Thursday, so if you guys like puzzling or gardening, go check out what's happening on my gardening channel later on today. I'm going to have to put the video up for my garden channel, and I'll have to put the video up for my crafting channel, which is puzzling today. So I have to do an update how far along I am putting my puzzle together. I'll share with you on my crafting channel. If you like puzzling, you should join the collab. You just get a puzzle and just start putting it together and just share your progress. Upload your progress. That's it. Simple. But you must use that hashtag right when you do these collaborations, because if you don't do the hashtag correctly, your video won't get into the playlist, into the traffic of the collaboration. It's important. But on another note, hope y'all doing good and getting all y'all need during these times. And strange goings-ons. A lot is going on. But I stay in a peaceful mode through prayer, meditation, and my hobbies, my projects, my interests. Those things keep my mind on those things. Keep my mind off of the weird stuff that goes on in you know, in this world, country, whatever. I got other things that keep me occupied and keep my mind in a good place. And I just come on here to share what I'm putting in my pantry, still working on it, organizing it, and I'm still out there organizing my garden. If you want to see how that's going, go to the garden channel. If you want to see what I crafted, go to my crafted channel. All those things I'm passionate about and I love doing. And yeah, so I got to put my flour on this shelf as soon as I get out here, which won't be but in a few minutes. Yeah, I gotta put my flour on the shelf with my sugar on the shelf, and I'll be making more biscuits tomorrow One day we're going to have some homemade waffles. And my pancakes, oh, they're so good. I know how to make some good pancakes from scratch. Just like my biscuits. They can't get enough. Dang. I'll be like, where the biscuits? I only had 2. Where's the rest of the biscuits gone? But, yeah. I'm enjoying myself. And how you guys doing with these tariffs? These trade wars? What have you guys? Now, I'm watching a few of you ladies how you go grocery shop. I seen the Squirrely Prepper. I seen Chris Leon. What they are hauling and stacking and stocking up on. And Pam over Pam, what is it? Pam, shoot, Pam, I know, you know I'm talking about. Pam, you do them pantry hauls. Pam doing her thing. I got to go over there and support y'all. I'll get there and get over there and support y'all channel. If I ain't left a comment, I'm clicking at the like button. You can best believe that, because I do believe in hitting that like button. I don't know why some folks act like they don't know that's what that button for. If you enjoying something, you want to support somebody, hit that like button. That's all you got to do. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. And, you know, it's showing that you love support. Give it back. Yes, indeed. But I do love me some good grocery hauls. Who else did a great haul? What's her name? Mama Jones, I believe. She did a $1,300 haul. And boy, did she collect some meat. Oh my goodness, I love her grocery hauls. Let me see, who else? In what is this guy's channel? Old School. I can't think of it. Old School. He had a great video where he took us into the grocery stores with him. He went in Kroger, and it was a Joe V out there in Texas, and was showing how great the grocery stores is. We're out there in Texas in a Kroger, aka out here it's called Food for Less and Rouse. That's what Kroger is, the daddy. Rouse and Food for Less, I guess, are the children. But out there in Texas, the Kroger, he took us in and showed us around. They had clothes, shoes, underwear, all kind of the store department stuff, like a Walmart. So Kroger, I think that's a very huge Kroger that Old School guy was in. But yeah, if y'all want to watch some channel, I guess I'll put their information in the description box, and y'all can go visit these channels. Mama Jones and Old School, Chris, and the Squirrel. I'll put them in my description box, and y'all want to see some people that, well, some of them, not everybody, but that constantly shopping and getting stuff, especially Chris and Squirrely. They are constantly out there stacking and stocking it up. They play no games when it come to deals. But I do my thing. Y'all see me do it in pieces, because I told you my table is eliminated, because I got my shelves in there. Like, shoot, once I got into it, shoot, I needed space, room. There was nothing I would do but stack something up. And if y'all don't believe me, go look at my past food stock up videos on this channel. Okay? Well, I ain't gonna keep y'all. Y'all be safe out there. Don't forget that get what you need before there's nothing. Well, before it's so expensive you ain't gonna get it. Or if it's unavailable, you definitely ain't gonna get it. So be mindful, be alert, get prepared. Definitely, I always say be prepared, like the Lion King. Be prepared. I love that line. But anyway, I gotta let y'all go. Y'all know like I know, and like the rest of us that's stacking and stocking, go do what you do, because I don't know. Nobody knows. I don't know. And the only way we gonna know is as each day goes by. But find your way to the grocery store. That's all that I can say. Find your way to the store and get something that you need and that gonna keep your family fed and taken care of health-wise too. Because I was watching this lady, I'm gonna let y'all go. I was watching this lady's video, just come across my channel. I don't know how that happened, but she was sharing that at the pharmacy they were telling her you need to double up your prescriptions if you can do that, because some prescriptions they won't let you double up on some drugs, but I guess some things you can, because the pharmacy allegedly are saying, pharmacies that fill your prescriptions are saying that they don't know if they're going to be getting your particular drug or not either. They don't know about their supplies either. So if you have prescriptions that need filling, see what you can do about them. Like I just seen this on the video. Everything I say is alleged, so be mindful, be alert, stay prepared. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Baking and cooking for my family. Baking and cooking for my family. Baking and cooking for my family. Baking and cooking for my family.